Now let's start our production. Here has some snowflakes here. I'll use this color cards stick under the parts of the envelope. Check out the blue and we will stick these green cards on the envelope. Cut off the paper you don't want. Finish the first part. Stick this part on this second part, just like this. And stick on the top of the envelope. We almost got an envelope. I want to add something to decoration it. Take out this small black paper and this golden pen. I will draw some painter on this one. Stick the black one on this white one. After that, I'll take a clear stamp and use this watermarker stamp pad. Press on this tag. Add this embossing powder straight on this word. I will use this hot air gun to blow on this tag. And now you will got these golden words. And this part I will use this adhesive to stick on the middle of the envelope. And for the last part, add some decorations. Okay, now we finish this one. Here is an envelope with some snowflakes.